Bring Patchstack's vulnerability monitoring into your MainWP Dashboard. Protect your sites and see where risks live without leaving MainWP. Enter your Patchstack API key once, bulk install the Patchstack Security plugin on all child sites, and every site is instantly connected to your Patchstack account. Check each site's protection status, detected vulnerabilities, and pending updates, all synced directly from Patchstack's API. Charts and logs track blocked attacks, active threats, and firewall events. See global data across all your sites or dive into individual site views. Patchstack doesn't live in a silo. Key details surface in your global overview and flow into pro reports, so protection insights are always within reach. Bring Patchstack protection into your MainWP dashboard and keep your entire network secure at a glance. Try the MainWP Patchstack add-on today.